Hey guys, join me as I take you along this journey. Check out these before images of a job that we just did. Check out all that Gleocapsa magma, all kinds of colored algae. You got the black stuff, the green stuff, and the gold stuff. This customer specifically wanted us to come out. He slipped and fell on his own property and didn't want it to happen to anybody else. All right, we're using the clean out today. We are using the Sirocco vacuum with the pump out. You got to pick up your water, guys. Stay in compliance, especially in California. All right, there's our vacuum berm, and then there's our other setup, and we are about to get started. I don't like to talk over some of this noise, so I'm just gonna let it play. Details matter. I don't know about you, but I like to rinse as I go. My hot water line busted in the middle of this project, but lucky for me, I was only 10 minutes away from pressurewasher.net. Let's get it recrimmed. Jerry's team is the best. The ECS crew consists of Bradley, Roman, Arthur, Dexter, and more, and they're gonna have me out of here in no time.
Muy bien. You want to get paid?
Sí, claro, pues estoy aquí afuera.
Man, look at all this beautiful equipment. I want it all. Oh wait, yeah, that's right. We gotta get back to work, guys.
I know.
Brand new again. Thanks, Dexter.
You're
Appreciate you, brother.
You're welcome.
All right, like new again. Let's rock and roll. Bacteria spawns more aggressively in dry conditions, and Southern California is literally a desert. So after I've done my deep cleaning, I like to do a sodium hypochlorite drop. This guarantees that the bacteria is dead, and it also picks up some of those black and green areas that couldn't get done properly. And then, after this step, I like to drop some neutralizer. There we go. This lowers the causticity on the bleach, lowers the pH, it's good for the plants, and then it's safe to walk on. After this step, I just do a light rinse, and then I let the vacuum do the rest. All right, guys, it's almost time to start wrapping this bad boy up. All right, guys, I'm wrapping this one up. I had a lot of fun. Thank you for joining me along this way. But check out these after images. Wow, total transformation. It wasn't perfect today. Had a couple hiccups. But lucky for us, we know great people, great teams. We have great equipment yielding amazing results. All right, guys, look at this. It's amazing. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Thank you so much. I will try to make more videos like this. Hit that like. Let's do this.